I'm sorry. I just don't think you can support the things I need you to support anymore. And frankly, you're really not all that stable. It's just not going to work out anymore. Don't look at me like that. You know this wouldn't last forever. Hey everybody, welcome back out to the Friend Shop. I'm Garrick with No One's Designs and Horseman of. And recently I've been doing a lot of soldering. And these little cheapy helper hands that you can get for a couple of dollars, they aren't cutting it. I mean, if you're going to be doing any kind of soldering work over a long period of time, they're just not that great. So today we're going to do something about that. I recently was at Bill Duran of Punished Props Academy's shop, and he had an awesome little soldering station that he built. A set of drawers, a more robust helping hand setup mounted to it, his soldering iron mounted to it, and I thought, you know what? I need to make one of those. But I don't want to build a box. I feel like I could find something and modify it instead, do a little bit of upcycling. So I went to my local thrift store and I found this. Just a little plywood cubby, 2 drawers, and a nice flat top, nice and sturdy. I paid $8 for it, so that definitely is worth my time. And I think today what we are going to do is we are going to convert this into a little portable soldering station. So let's determine how we are going to lay this out. I went on Amazon and I bought a new set of helping hands. These guys have 5 appendages, which I like, but they're still metal, so I'm not going to accidentally melt them with my soldering iron. And they have areas with the little feet right here that I should be able to pop out and then mount directly to the top of this. So I think that is most likely just kind of nice and centered on there is where that's going to live. Now, for my soldering iron itself, I don't have enough room up top to put it there. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to ixnay one of these drawers. And then I'm going to have my extension cord live back here with a hole drilled in it so it comes out the back. And we will have this guy. Come on, buddy. Yeah, this guy will live right in here. So something like that. And I'll probably have to drill a hole for this to plug into, but that'll be fine. So that mounted up there, that guy living in there, and then the drawer for all of my extra stuff, all my little bits. And then I think I'm going to take some of these cheap tool hangers, mount them on the side over here so I can hang electrical tape or more electrical tape or solder or any of that stuff. I can have quick access to it on the outside. So why don't we do that? We need a hole in the back, a hole in the side, this mounted to the top, these mounted to the sides. Yeah, let's get to it. Not too bad for an afternoon worth of work. I remember I had one of these arm lights laying around the shop, so I decided to attach that to there so I could get light on projects that I'm working on. But I have now this mounted sturdily on here. It'll hold the whole thing up. My main soldering iron, my rapid soldering iron, got my solder and my tape all available out here, and then my drawer has all of my screwdrivers and multimeters and all the extra stuff that I need when I do electronics work. So if this is something that you think you could use, I encourage you to take a look at your local thrift shops, see if you can find anything like this, a little wooden cubby or something that's fairly sturdy, and give it a shot. There's nothing quite like repurposing something as a tool that you're going to use on, well, probably a daily basis in my case. Thanks again for watching this video. If you'd like to see more stuff my wife and I do, you can follow us on No One's Designs just about everywhere. If you want to see my group projects with my friends, that's Horsemen of, check us out at horsemenof.com. And of course, please like and subscribe. Share this video around if there are people you think might want to build one of these for themselves. Well, I think we're about done, and now I've actually got to start using this to finish some work. So have a great one, and we will see you next time.